Hi Bubble app creators and developers, we have some exciting news for you. Today we are launching a Facebook group community. We've been thinking for many months and we've received lots of feedback through our YouTube channel and through our website of what is required out there, and we're wanting to launch a community for you. Somewhere that is supportive and somewhere where you can network and share ideas, share questions, whether you are a pro or whether you're just starting out on your Bubble app development journey. We'll be using the group to share useful resources, maybe giving some early access to some of our own Bubble tutorials. And it will also be the first place to receive news and discounts about the services that we offer at Planet No Code. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to planetnocode.com/Facebook to be redirected straight to the Facebook group. We look forward to you joining us.